Welcome to ListExtension, the world-leading shopping cart migration expert. In this video, we are going to show you how to migrate from Magento to BigCommerce automatically, accurately, and securely with ListExtension. First, log into your ListExtension account and click Create New Migration. What you need to do is set up your source store and target store. Right here, select Magento as source cart type. Next, download ListExtension connector. Following the instruction, then you receive a zip file. Extract it and you'll see a file called LE connector. After that, upload the file connector to source store root folder using FileZilla app. There, you need to fill in some information like host, username, password to get started. Here's our tutorial video to help you set up ListExtension connector in a few minutes. To finish, you need to provide the source store URL into the blank bar. Once you're done, a notification, "Connections was successfully installed," will appear on the screen. Now, let's move to the target cart setup. Choose BigCommerce as target cart type and provide your store URL. You will need to get the API path, access token, and client ID. To do that, log into your BigCommerce backend. On the left of the screen, go to Advanced Settings, API Accounts, and click on Create API Account. Enter ListExtension in the name section and set all access levels to login or modify. Click Save and copy the information to your migration page. Please watch our video tutorial to get the API password or follow the wizard appearing on the right of the screen. Now click Next and proceed to the next stage of the migration process. At this step, you need to select the entities you want to migrate to BigCommerce. You can choose to migrate only one or some entities, or click Select All to migrate all of them. ListExtension also provides powerful additional options here to extend your migration possibilities. You can refer to the instruction of each additional option when hovering over its name, or watch the video tutorial next to it to decide the additional option you need. Next, you can easily map your language and order status in this section so that they will be displayed correspondingly on the target store. After finished, you can click Start Demo Migration to try our migration, or you can click on Skip Demo Migration button to perform full migration immediately. While the data is being transferred, it's completely safe to close your browser window or shut down your PC. You will receive an email from the ListExtension system when the process is complete. Once the migration is done, click on the Check Result button to see if everything has been transferred correctly. In case of any matters, please contact ListExtension technical support team to get them resolved as soon as possible. That's how easy it is to perform successful Magento to BigCommerce with ListExtension. With ListExtension, you will experience the most pleasant shopping cart migration process with our state-of-the-art migration system, with no technical skill required, and a dedicated support team right at your fingertips. We also ensure 100% uptime for your store during the re-platforming process, which means no sales lost. Besides, we provide 3 months of free and unlimited recent migration, re-migration, and smart update to ensure your new store goes live with no data left behind. Last but not least, to prove confidence in our services and their value to you, ListExtension offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So why wait any further? Run free demo migration now!